Good morning and welcome to MBA batch of Louth Mata Institute of Management Studies, Lmims Business News. Let's get the news rolling with the top 6 business news.
Walmart looks to join hands with Tata Group in retail push. The multinational retail corporation Walmart Incorporated is in discussion with the Tata Group for large stake purchase in the proposed super app of the sold-to-software conglomerate. The basic purpose or aim of creating such app is to bring a great revolution in digital services, offering a wide range of products in retail space. The investment by Tata Group could be $20 to $25 billion, eventually for a large stake in the proposed super app to be hosted under Tata Sons subsidiary. As per the discussion, the super app could be launched as a joint venture between them, both which will be going to enable leveraging on the synergies between Tata Sons e-commerce business and Flipkart. Through this proposed business, Walmart is keen to get a strong brand backing in its e-commerce business, and the Tata Group will get its global brand name. For both of them, this proposed project is immense need for their growth, development and expansion. Through their joining, the Indian market is going to experience a new fun era in the retail market. Through this super app, they are going to bring a new revolution and development.
Flipkart B2B AMP readies inaugural sales for retailers. Business to business B2B marketplace of the Flipkart Group recently launched its operations with an aim to connect local manufacturers with retailers and bring the entire wholesalers marketplace at their fingertips using technology. The platform is now available for fashion retailers, especially footwear and apparel, in Gurugram, Delhi, and Bangalore. There are plans to expand to Mumbai by this year end. Flipkart also plans to expand 20 more cities in categories like home, kitchen, and grocery, said by the company on its website. The learning from the news is that the Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce company based in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Also headquartered in Bangalore, founded by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal in 2007. The CEO of Flipkart is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. The company initially focused on book sales before expanding into other product categories such as consumer electronics, fashion, home essentials and grocery, and also lifestyle products.
Tata Group courts potential investors for new digital platform. India's Tata Group is in talk with potential investors about taking stake in new digital platform. People familiar with the matter said, seeking to modernize its consumer business as retail giant like Amazon and billionaire Mukesh Ambani pile into country's fledgling e-commerce market. Tata Group is an Indian multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Mumbai, India. Founded in 1868 by Jamshedji Tata, the company gained international recognition after purchasing several global companies. Tata Group is one of India's largest conglomerate and owned by Tata Sons. Tata Sons private the holding company of 113 million coffee to cars conglomerate is working with advisors to explore bringing in financial or strategic investors including global technology companies. The group planned to bring together digital assets across various Tata business to create a new entity. According to the people, Tata Group already have a bunch of entrants to consumer business, many of which also have an online presence. These include Tanish jewelry stores, Titan watch showrooms, Star Bazaar supermarket, chain of Taj hotels and joint venture with Starbucks in India. The intention is to consolidate this currently fragmented web operation.
The tech giant Samsung Group. We all know that Samsung is very popular in launching gadgets. Samsung, the world's leading memory chip and smartphone producer, is expected to announce its third quarter earnings guidance next week. Today, the Samsung Group projected that they gained $54.5 billion in sales. Samsung Galaxy Q3 phone were established around 80 million units in third quarter, about a 50% increase from the previous quarter. Analysts predicted Samsung's chip business to post an operating profit of around 5 trillion won in the third quarter of the year. Compared with the previous quarter, the estimated figure suggests Samsung is seeing a 20.7% increase in sales and a 27.6% jump in operating profit.
Coming up this hour, the headlines. SBI Card joined hands with American Express to offer premium benefits and services. The State Bank of India is hiring for multiple positions through online. To begin this hour, the collaboration of SBI Card and American Express is another step to their effort to build their premium portfolio, says Ashwini Kumar Tiwari, MD and CEO of SBI Card. With this launch, SBI Card will have product across 4 networks. SBI Card Top End products, SBI Card Elite and SBI Card Prime will be available on American Express Global Network. This would bring the cardholders complimentary membership to loyalty programs of marked brands, international airport launch access, and also reward points on spend categories such as dining, entertainment, and as well as spend based on milestone benefits. Moving on, SBI notified that the candidates are being recruiting for 87 posts based on interview and work experience. Written exams are not mandatory for the selection process. Applications are to be submitted through their online portal at sbi.co.in before 8th of October 2020.
SP Group faces biggest test ever. For over a century, the SP Group has been one of the country's top construction firms. A shift from a low-risk project execution model to big bets on infrastructure and real estate projects has plagued the group into crisis. Due to cash strapped and undercapitalization, SP Group faces biggest tests. Let's have a look at the journey of SP Group. From a small company in 1865 to $3 billion conglomerate in 2015, from operations in one country to 43 countries, from a company with employees of one nationality to over 40, from one business center to 13 different sectors. The Mystery Group now saying that they are ready to sell its 18.37% stake in Tata Sons. The Tatas have several options to buy back their stake, including selling part of TCS shares or pledging it to raise debt. Thank you. Have a great day.